In this video, we will discuss about automated order receipt. We have the item column, we have the cost column. Now we need to restrict the items in the column, and to restrict the items we select the whole column, go in the data tab and use the data validation option. And in this option we need to select the list, and in the source box we need to select the whole menu, which includes the items, and you can see the reference and click here. Okay, now you can see here we got the options, like I only need to select from the given options. This is how you can restrict the data with the help of data validation. Now next step is to use the cost. So we use the Vlookup function and bracket open, and it says lookup value, so we select the drink cell, which is our lookup cell, comma, then it says table array, so we select the whole menu, which includes item and cost. And now it says column, so our cost is in the second column, so we use second or 2, comma, then 0 for the exact result. But before entering, we need to make the table array constant, so we select the table array, press F4 to make it constant. This is how we make constant, and press enter. Now we only need to drag it down to apply the Vlookup function in the below cells. This is how we get the Vlookup. Now we can try our formula, like selecting any cell, so you can see it gives us the cost of the sandwich. Now one thing we need to do is select the cell and use IFERROR function, like error, and after using the IFERROR function, at the end use comma, inverted comma, open and close to make the empty, and close the bracket. Now press enter, and now we need to drag the cell, so you can see the difference. Like if there's nothing available, so it gives empty, it means it doesn't give not available. And last we need to use the sum function, sum, bracket open, and it says numbers, so we select the whole cost column, close the bracket and enter, so we got the total. Now we only need to test our formula, like I need to select the option and it gives me the cost, and it will automatically calculate the total cost. This is how we can generate the automated order receipt. We only need to add the items, it will automatically calculate the cost, and it will automatically calculate the total of the whole bill. This is how we can generate the data. If you face any confusion, you can write in our comment section. Thank you.